Reality is not out there. A phrase that on the surface appears straightforward, yet when explored reveals the most profound truths about existence. Reality as we know it is not external or fixed. It is deeply interwoven with the observer. This journey started with a playful speculation about whether Rodin's The Thinker was pondering such truths, yet it evolved into a deep philosophical and metaphysical exploration of awareness, consciousness, and the very fabric of existence. Awareness, the foundation of existence. At the core of this discussion lies a realization that has eluded much of humanity. Awareness is the only real thing that truly exists. Awareness is not a byproduct of matter, as materialist science might claim, but rather the substratum from which all phenomena arise. This is not merely a metaphysical statement. It is a direct experiential truth, observable by anyone willing to turn inward. To understand this, one must close their eyes and focus on the blank space behind them. This space, often dismissed as nothing, is where awareness dwells. It is untouched by the senses, yet encompasses them. The five senses fail to penetrate this void, and yet it is the very essence of who we are. Add to this the mind, often described as a sixth sense, and the picture becomes clearer. The mind, too, is observed by this silent awareness, much like how particles arise and dissolve in the quantum field. The void, the space of infinite potential. This void, as it is often called, is not empty. It is the silent ground of being where potential becomes actuality. In quantum mechanics, the quantum field, a sea of infinite potential, gives rise to matter when observed. Similarly, in the realm of the mind, thoughts and images arise spontaneously, unbound by the physical world. The connection is striking. The mind is a window into the quantum field. This insight demystifies phenomena often dismissed as imagination. Imagination is not unreal. It is a creative act within the quantum field, an act of shaping potential into reality. This realization aligns with ancient spiritual teachings and modern scientific insights, blending them into a unified understanding of reality. Manifestation and the power of intention. From this perspective, the concepts of manifestation and quantum healing are not mystical fantasies, but natural extensions of how consciousness interacts with the quantum field. The principles are simple yet profound. Consciousness is the ultimate technology. Awareness itself is the engine of creation. Energy follows awareness. Where attention goes, energy flows, aligning probabilities within the quantum field. Observation collapses potential into reality. Just as particles behave differently when observed, so too does reality respond to the focus of consciousness. These principles form the basis of practices like quantum healing, where intention directs energy to reshape physical outcomes. The idea that life is a dream takes on new meaning here. Reality, much like a lucid dream, is shaped by the observer. The simplicity and obscurity of truth. The truth of awareness is both simple and elusive. It is so fundamental, so omnipresent, that it becomes invisible to most. As we navigate daily life, we are ensnared by external distractions, blind to the profound reality within. This blindness has led to a materialist paradigm where matter is seen as the cause of consciousness, a view that quantum mechanics itself has begun to undermine. When we strip away the distractions and turn inward, the simplicity of awareness becomes apparent. It is the backdrop of all experience, the silent witness to thoughts, sensations, and the external world. This awareness is not just a passive observer, it is the creative force behind reality. The mind as a quantum interface. The mind's role as a quantum interface is a key insight in this exploration. Thoughts arise and dissolve in the mind, just as particles emerge from the quantum field. The mind, therefore, is not bound by physical laws. It transcends them, offering a glimpse into the infinite potential of the quantum field. This understanding challenges the materialist view that dismisses imagination as unreal. Instead, imagination is recognized as a powerful tool for shaping reality. It is the mechanism through which consciousness engages with the quantum field, collapsing potential into form. Awareness and the end of philosophy. The ultimate realization in this journey is that awareness is the substratum of existence. This realization transcends philosophical speculation and scientific inquiry. It is a direct, experiential truth that renders all further questioning moot. In this sense, awareness represents the end of philosophy. When one sees that all phenomena arise from and return to awareness, the search for external truths becomes unnecessary. A new paradigm. The journey through awareness and reality reveals a profound truth. Consciousness, not matter, is the foundation of existence. This realization aligns science and spirituality, dissolving the apparent contradictions between them. Awareness is the ultimate technology, the creative force that shapes reality, and the silent witness to all phenomena. As humanity begins to embrace this truth, a new paradigm emerges, one where imagination is valued as a tool of creation, where quantum mechanics and ancient wisdom converge, and where the simplicity of awareness becomes the foundation of understanding. In this new paradigm, the thinker is no longer lost in contemplation, but awake to the profound reality within. This journey is not merely an intellectual exercise, but a call to action, to turn inward, to recognize the power of awareness, and to reclaim our role as conscious co-creators of reality. The blank space behind our eyes is not empty. It is the doorway to infinite potential, the essence of who we are, and the source of all that is.